Hi, I'm Anna Duffy. I'm a lecturer in textile print at Belfast School of Art in Ulster University. The Textile Art, Design and Fashion course is quite a broad and dynamic course. We're focused on hands-on learning, and it's learning through practice, through outdoor studios and workshops, a bit like the one that we're in today. Our students work across areas such as textile art, textile design, fashion, interiors and also product, working towards becoming independent artists and designers, or working within design studios and other companies as well. So our students study on the Belfast campus, right in the heart of Belfast city centre. Our campus boasts excellent facilities. We have studios and workshops within our own course, and the equipment and tools are continuously updated. Our teaching approach is really hands-on. We work in studios, workshops, lectures and seminars to provide lots of different learning opportunities for our students. Our students are encouraged to explore a wide range of techniques, processes to build on their problem-solving skills, that build their creative projects. Assessment is entirely coursework based, focusing on project development, technical skills and conceptual thinking. We have industry-led projects and collaborations helping build the students' communication skills, confidence and help prepare them for real-world experience and careers in the creative industries. Students have the option to take a placement year, gaining valuable industry experience with a diverse range of companies globally. In addition, our Year 2 students get the opportunity to take a short placement as part of our professional practice modules. This allows them the opportunity to gain some experience while studying here on the course. We also run employability events, panel talks to connect our students to industry. This is a great opportunity to learn from other people's experience and for them to just build their professional network. As we're a broad, skills-based course, many of our students go on to work in film and television. We also have students who work in design studios. Many graduates choose to work as independent artists, designers, launching successful businesses in bespoke embroidery, screen printing, craft, textiles and accessories and knitwear. With a strong focus on employability, entrepreneurship and industry connections, our course equips students with the skills to thrive on a range of roles within the creative industries. Our dedicated academic and technical staff work to support our students to help them build confidence and skills for the creative industries. We also offer a wide range of opportunities for support with well-being, career development and also academic mentoring. With access to industry connections, employability events and with the support of our staff on the course, our students are fully supported throughout their course to prepare them for their future careers.